Style is Inspiration. I'm Sade Brand, or Kalita Sade, as you may know me. As promised, I'm coming to you again with a video about my backdrop. It is a little different from the backdrops that I've used before. I've been through a few backdrops. If you are a blogger or you're getting into blogging or vlogging or YouTubing, you will go through all the phases and the changes of what you want your final product to look like. And right now, I can say I'm very happy with what I see behind me. The last backdrop, it was decent, but this one is just like, it screams Sade Brand. It screams me and my personality. So I'm just gonna give you a quick overview of where I got these things from and how I came to think about this backdrop. So one day I was driving in the car and I was like, I need a new backdrop because this is just not happening. I had the fabric that's behind me, which I got from Walmart maybe like a year ago. I just went to the fabric department and I was like, I need a dope fabric that just screams me, my style, my personality. And I saw the gold sequins. And, like, I love gold. If you don't notice, like, I always wear gold accessories. Everything that I have is, like, gold, metallic, rose gold. I really don't do silver, so the gold was just, like, yes. And it had this sparkle, that shine that I felt like could, like, really translate well on the camera and with the lights. So when I got the backdrop, that was, like, it. But then I kind of got bored with the things that I had against the fabric the first time, so I was like, scratch that, we need something different. So I love the way the picture frames sit in like this like different order. So I just knew that that's what I wanted to go for. I knew that I wanted to have some like very inspiring things on my wall that will give me more inspiration to, one, not only do this, but also wake up in the morning. Like, sometimes it's just really hard just being like, okay, I gotta wake up and I gotta go to work. So when I open my eyes, literally this is adjacent to my bed, so I can see this every time I wake up, before I go to bed. So it was perfect. So the next step was like, okay, where am I gonna go? Right? Like, where the fuck? So I was like, my favorite place, Dollar Tree. Went to Dollar Tree one night, and let's not say one night. I went to Dollar Tree 4 different times in 1 week. Every day I got off work, I was in Dollar Tree, going up and down the aisles for probably like an hour. I think I spent a total of 5 hours in Dollar Tree, like for the whole 4 days I went. And every time I went down each aisle, I saw something new. Every time I went down the aisle, maybe 2 or 3 times, the same aisle, I saw something different. So I absolutely knew that I needed picture frames. This is a self-portrait of me. I was at a blog meet and greet with Vic Styles. And honestly, this was my first like meet and greet with another blogger who is very, very popular, who is very successful. She's also a stylist. So like, I thought that I was just like, yes, on top of the world. I met my tribe. I was beginning to feel like I had a place in blogging and vlogging once I met her. This portrait definitely inspired me to want to do more work. And the person who did it, I really can't remember her name, but I'll try to find it for you and put it below in the description. She was just doing free watercolor portraits for everybody that was at the event. I love the way she captures my personality and also my style. I love how she captures the movement of my earrings. They were feather earrings, and I had on a collared white shirt. So that's why at the bottom you don't see any color, because my shirt was white. And I would also post the picture from this event so you guys could see like the correlation. I love it. I think it's bomb. I think it's like, she did a wonderful job. Next to the portrait is my business cards. These are my old business cards. I'm a little sad to see the business cards go because I really like the design. But these are my old business card. It says Sade Brand in the middle in gold, and it has like the gold paint like splatter. And then on the back it says you are enough, because I mean, you are. Like, you could do anything, and if you know that you could do anything and you know that you are enough, you can get it done, no matter where your stage is in life, no matter how many followers you got, no matter how many subscribers or views you have. You are enough to do what you want to do. Okay? Boop. The frame above the business cards it says boss. The last thing that I saw my last trip to the Dollar Tree, it was sitting by the register, and it's a plaque, and some of them said like girl power, all kind of beautiful, like really inspiring things. The backing of the frame that Boss is sitting on is actually a metallic bag, paper bag that's for like parties, candies, kids parties, or whatever you want to use it for. And I was like, I thought it would really be cool if I put Boss on top of it just to have like a pop of like a 3D effect, and it looks so bomb. Of course, when I was in the store, I was like trying to figure out how I was gonna make Boss stand out. I needed it to be on the frame, so it was just perfect that I found this paper bag, right? I like to use other things around me to make other things. So yeah, that's like perfect. And then the next frame is literally says, keep it simple. And this was like the perfect frame, because when I was thinking about this backdrop, I was like thinking about all these elaborate ass things to put up here. But thinking about all these elaborate ass things to put up here. And no, keep it simple. Try to make sure that it is simple, sleek, bomb, and chic. Like literally. Simple and chic. That is literally my style wrapped up in a nutshell. Don't forget vintage though. But yeah, so the back, the gold trim frame, this is literally how it was in the store. I didn't do anything to it, so it was perfect. On the side of me, it was probably my most favorite piece to create, but it took me the longest. It's a mini reef that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I knew exactly what I wanted to create, but this probably took me the longest to find all the materials because I didn't want to mess it up. And it's wired with wired lights, and it says Sade brand on it. Now, unfortunately, it didn't particularly come out exactly like I wanted it to come out, but I'm still very proud of it, and I didn't want to get rid of it because I worked so hard on it. It took me so long to do the cursive correctly and to get it right. I think I started over like 10 times, I promise you, but I still love it. And I also sewed the letters on top of the reef. It is satin black fabric that's wrapped around the reef. The battery pack is inside, and I'm going to turn it on for you. Okay, so it's on. As you can see, it didn't translate exactly like it should be translated, but, you know, as you walk into stores and you look at walls and stuff, they have these really cool, like, neon lights that's written in wording, the brand name, all those cool things. Well, I looked online, and that thing is expensive. So I was like, honey, I need something different. Like, I can't spend $500 on like 7 letters. Like, no. So I was like, okay, well, I need something different. So I decided to do it, but it didn't translate exactly like I wanted it to translate. But that's okay, because I still love it. It's still one of my favorite things, and I'm not going to get rid of it. The last thing is a mirror. It's a black mirror. The frame is exactly how the frame was when I bought it from the store. I decided to put something on it because I really like how Keep It Simple was, and it's Black Girl Magic. Like, why not? Because I'm a black girl and I'm full of magic. So I just had to remind myself, Black Girl Magic. You can see from the last backdrop that I had a lot of the stickers put on my wall, but I needed one. But I got the sticker from my college when I went to Mizzou. From the Multicultural Center, we have all these black girl inspiring stickers. So I just wanted to put it on my backdrop because I'm a black girl and I'm full of magic. And if you're a black girl, you're full of magic too. Okay? Boop. Okay. So anyway. Okay. wraps up the backdrop. I'm sitting on a bench that is also made by me. I went to some discount stores and I was lucky to find a wooden table that I turned into a bench. I threw a throw over the bench to just add more color so you wouldn't see the wood, but the length is perfect. It's very comfortable. And of course, I can't just be sitting on wood. So I went to Burlington and I went into the home goods department and I bought me a cushion and pillows. And it's just literally the patio cushion. And the color was perfect. I thought it was really neat to have the checker, the blue, what is this called? I don't remember the name, but it's called something. But I just thought it was really, really neat for me to have this off color for the backdrop to add a little bit more dimension. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I inspired you to go to stores that you really wouldn't think of to find things for your backdrop or things for any project that you may be doing. You know, I love the thrift store. Like, that's my favorite place to be. And I love the Dollar Tree. But who doesn't? You know, we balling on a budget. Please leave me comments. Please leave me notes. Please give me ideas if you would love to see more of me talk about things that I do. I'll see you in a couple weeks. Bye.